everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we have slime here.
We have green.
We have purple, yellow,
and the video has pink.
So let's see what it becomes.
Comes from there.
Wow.
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 Wow. So gooey.
Look at me.
They're a little bit sticky.
Yeah, but a little
But
bit.
all the goo from here is not that sticky.
Look at this.
This is yellow.
This is pink. And this is green.
Yellow,
Green.
pink.
Sticky.
This is so amazing.
So good.
And it looks glittery. You might not see the glitter, but I can see the glitter.
Very glittery, very bubbly.
And I can see
A bubbly.
I can see it through a little bit. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I can see a bubbly. Because we gotta get sticky.
Hello!
So I won't say it.
Guys, put on the bowl now. Oh, it's sticky. Stick. There. Okay, Navi. Put yours here. I'm gonna make mine a little bit small.
Really big.
Yeah, leave it now. Put it here now.
Really squeaky. Hey, look at that, guys. It's like a rubble.
A little worm.
Hey, I made a big worm.
Wait, you can go on table.
Look at me. Look at this.
Bam,
Look at that, look.
Wow.
Bubble. Oh, my big stuck
And you
on
can
it.
put it on the glass table because it's not going to stick. As look as I am doing, it's not that sticky.
Look at this.
Yes, it's sticky.
Look at that.
Wow, Navu.
Ay. Mami, agak video this one ayo. Wiggly worm.
I'm going to make it in the ball and then use it as a football.
I'm gonna make a pool. I'm gonna make a pool.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Give it a thumbs up. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.